Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the donkey kickflip. So what's going on here is I'm pretty sure I give you an equation and then I give you the graph, and then you have to pick the correct story problem that matches it. So here's what you need to do. Make sure the intercepts line up. So in this case, we have a y-intercept of 10, and then we have an x-intercept of 10. So that's the first thing to check. Make sure the intercepts line up, and then check the wording. Since we have a solid line and we're graphing the less than side, that's going to be an at most situation. Okay, so this would be like, hey, the numbers add to 10 at most. Okay, so look for an at most, solid line, less than side shaded, and then look for the y-intercepts. Okay, next one, it's going to be the same graph, so we have the same intercepts of 10 and 10, but if you have a solid line and the top side is shaded, that's going to be an at least situation. Okay, at least means this solid line is the at least you can be, so you're going to be more or equal to that number. If you have a dashed line and you are on the greater than side, same intercepts of 10 and 10. Again, that's the big one. Make sure you check the intercepts. So make sure you hide and divide to find the correct intercepts. And then if you're a dashed line and you're on the greater than side, that's an over scenario. So make sure you check the story problems for the over, more than, greater than scenario. And then if you have a dashed line and you're on the less than side with these intercepts, that's going to be an under scenario, or fewer, under, less than, all of those things. All right, that's about it. So the biggest thing is to check the intercepts to make sure the intercepts line up. In this case, I just used 10 for all of them, but you want to do the hide and divide method to find the intercepts. And then you want to check the words. If it's at most, it's going to be one of these. If it's at least, it's going to be one of those. If it's over, it's going to be one of those. And in this case, if it's under, it's going to be one of those. All right, see you in class.